Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on Web Technologies Lab. So this video we have to actually look at program 10, which is implementing a web application with database using PHP. So if you see here, we have to work with a database, right? So in this video, I am going to explain how to configure the database server, which already comes with EasyPHP Devserver, and you are going to see how to create database, how to create a table, and how to insert data into the table. Then in the next video, we are going to see the code for this program. Okay, so let's go into EasyPHP Devserver. So right click this EasyPHP Devserver and click on Open Dashboard. So it will take you to this page. Okay, so you already know about this HTTP server, right? Now on the right hand side, you have another server called as database server. Okay, so if you scroll down under modules, you have a module called phpMyAdmin. So this is used to interact with the database server. Okay, so first let's start the database server. It will take around 1 minute to start. Okay, the database server started. Okay, below this database server, you can see some information. The DBMS that is being used is MySQL, and the version number is 5.7.17, and the port number at which the database server is running is 3306. Okay, and if you come down now, this phpMyAdmin is highlighted, right? Previously it was in grayed out, and here you can see open button also. So click on this open. It will take you to another page. So you will see this page, and here you can see the name of the module phpMyAdmin. So on the right hand side, you can see some information about database server. So server IP address is 127.0.0.1, and the server name is localhost. Okay, and the DBMS we are using is MySQL, and this is the version number. Okay, and the username we are using is root. Okay, root is the username, right? Now let's click on databases. So you have one database already there, which is there. So I am deleting this database. For you will see like this. When you click on databases, you will see this screen because you didn't create any database. So here in the database name, give the database name as MyDB and click on create. Okay, database is created, and it will show you to create a table. It is asking you to create a table. So if you want to see the list of databases again, click on this server, click on databases. Now you can see that you have created one database, which is MyDB, right? So click on this MyDB. Now you will again see this screen to create a table. So let's create a table. Let's give the table name as users, and let's create 3 columns. So the 3 columns I will create are ID, name, and email. Click on go. Now let's give the names for these columns: ID, name, and email. So I am getting all these values because I have already previously inserted them. That's why I am getting these values. You have to type these values. Okay, so data type, ID is number only, so name is text or varchar. Okay, email is also a string, so varchar. Here length of the name, let's give 30, and email, let's give 50. And the final thing we have to do is ID. For ID, under index, select primary. Okay, it will display this select go. So what I am doing is I am making this ID column as primary key. Okay, Now you are seeing two buttons, right? Preview SQL and save. Click on save. Okay, so the table is created with 3 columns: ID, name and email. So you can see the key symbol because this is primary key. Okay, now click on browse to see the data in the table. It is empty because we didn't insert any data. Now click on the database MyDB. So you can see the users table. On the right hand side, click on insert to insert data. By default, it will show you 2 rows. Come down and click on 10 rows. Okay. So we are going to insert 10 rows of data. So here give the values: 1 Ramesh @gmail.com, 2 Suresh @gmail.com. For you will not get these values. You have to type them yourself. I am already previously doing this. That's why I am getting the values. For Harshita @gmail.com, 5 John @gmail.com, 6 Ruben @gmail.com, 7 Lalita, okay, Lalita @gmail.com, 8 Pravya @gmail.com, 9 Kiran @gmail.com, 10 Mahesh @gmail.com. And finally, if you want to see the SQL query, you can click on preview SQL. So this is the SQL query where we are inserting data. Click close and click on go. Okay, so 10 rows are inserted, right? Now click on browse to see the data, right? So here is the data, 10 rows of data. Okay, so that's it, guys. We have created a database called MyDB, and we have created a table called users, and in the users table we have inserted 10 rows of data, right? Okay, so this is how you configure database server and use phpMyAdmin to interact with MySQL and create database tables and insert data. Okay, so there is one final thing I want to show you. So for some people, when you start the database server, it won't start. Okay, why it won't start means because you are facing some problem. So how to know what problem you are facing is click on this server settings gear icon. It will take you to another page. Okay, you will see this and click on error log. Okay, so if there are any errors, you will find the error here. I am not getting any errors. I am getting only warnings and notifications, general notifications. So these are not errors. If you are facing errors, you will see the errors here. Okay, then you can use that error and solve the problem, right? Okay, so that's it for this video. If you people are facing any problems with starting the database server, or if you didn't understand something in this video, comment below the video. I will respond. So finally, like the video and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for latest notifications. And once again, if you have any doubts, comment below the video. Thank you.